What's the quickest way you've earned extra money outside your main job? What made it work for you? Let me help you. Make sure to watch until the end, as I will go over the ideal side hustle for earning quick cash. In today's fast paced world, many of us are looking for ways to boost our income without committing to a full time job. That's where side hustles come in. In this video, we'll dive into the ideal side hustle for earning quick cash, exploring various options that can fit into your busy lifestyle. Whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or someone looking to pay off debt, there's something here for everyone. We'll cover a range of side hustles that require minimal investment and can be started right away. From freelancing and online tutoring to selling handmade crafts or even pet sitting, the possibilities are endless. Each option will be broken down to help you understand what it takes to get started, how much you can potentially earn, and tips for success. So, if you're eager to discover effective ways to make some extra money on the side, you're in the right place. Get ready to explore practical ideas that can help you achieve your financial goals while maintaining your current commitments. Let's jump in and find the perfect side hustle that suits your skills and lifestyle. Understanding side hustles? Side hustles are essentially part-time jobs or entrepreneurial ventures that individuals take on in addition to their primary source of income. In today's economy, where financial stability can feel elusive, side hustles serve a crucial purpose by providing an opportunity to earn extra cash, pursue passions, and even explore new career paths. Their growing popularity can be attributed to the flexibility they offer, allowing people to work on their own terms and schedules. One of the most appealing aspects of side hustles is the potential income they can generate. Depending on the hustle, individuals can earn anywhere from a few extra dollars a week to a substantial monthly income. This flexibility not only helps in meeting immediate financial needs, but also allows for long-term savings and investments. Side hustles attract a diverse range of demographics, from college students looking to pay off tuition to retirees seeking to supplement their pensions. Even full-time professionals are jumping on the side hustle bandwagon to explore their interests or build a safety net. With the rise of the gig economy and online platforms, there has never been a better time to consider a side hustle that aligns with your skills and lifestyle. Identifying quick cash opportunities. When it comes to generating quick cash through side hustles, there are several popular options that cater to different skills and interests. Freelance writing is a fantastic choice for those with a knack for words. If you can write engaging articles or create compelling content, platforms like Upwork or Fiverr can help you land gigs quickly. All you need is a good portfolio and a reliable internet connection to get started. Ride sharing is another lucrative option, especially if you have a car and some spare time. Companies like Uber and Lyft allow you to earn money by driving passengers around your city. The only skills required are a valid driver's license and a friendly attitude. You can sign up and start driving within days. Pet sitting is perfect for animal lovers. If you enjoy spending time with pets, you can offer your services through apps like Rover or Wag. Basic pet care knowledge and a love for animals are essential here. To get started, create a profile on these platforms and you can begin accepting clients almost immediately. These side hustles not only provide quick cash, but also allow you to leverage your existing skills and interests. Maximizing earnings. To truly maximize your earnings from side hustles, effective time management is key. Start by creating a schedule that allocates specific blocks of time for your side hustle activities. This will help you stay organized and focused, ensuring that you make the most of your available hours. Consider using productivity tools or apps to track your tasks and deadlines, allowing you to work efficiently without feeling overwhelmed. Networking is another powerful strategy for boosting your income. Building a solid client base can lead to repeat business and referrals. Attend local events, join online communities, or leverage social media platforms to connect with potential clients and other professionals in your field. The more relationships you cultivate, the more opportunities you'll have to grow your side hustle. Setting competitive rates is crucial for maximizing your earnings as well. Research what others in your niche are charging and adjust your rates accordingly. Don't undervalue your skills. Instead, consider offering tiered pricing or packages that provide added value to clients. This not only attracts more customers but also positions you as a professional in your field. By implementing these strategies, you can significantly increase your earnings and make your side hustle more rewarding. Challenges and solutions. While side hustles can be rewarding, they often come with their own set of challenges. One common obstacle is time constraints. Balancing a side hustle with a full-time job, family responsibilities, or other commitments can be overwhelming. To overcome this, prioritize your tasks and set realistic goals. Break your work into manageable chunks and use tools like calendars or to-do lists to stay organized. This way, you can maximize productivity without feeling stretched too thin. Another challenge is competition, especially in popular fields like freelance writing or ride sharing. To stand out, focus on building a unique personal brand. Highlight your skills and experiences that set you apart from others. Consider specializing in a niche area where demand is high but competition is lower. Maintaining a positive mindset is crucial when facing these challenges. Embrace setbacks as learning opportunities and stay adaptable. The landscape of side hustles can change rapidly, so being open to new ideas and methods can help you stay ahead. Surround yourself with supportive communities, whether online or in person, to share experiences and gain encouragement. By addressing these common challenges with practical solutions and a resilient attitude, you can thrive in your side hustle journey. In conclusion, we've explored the exciting world of side hustles and how they can help you earn quick cash. We discussed various opportunities, from freelance writing and ride sharing to pet sitting, highlighting the skills needed and how to get started. We also covered essential strategies for maximizing your earnings, including effective time management, networking, and setting competitive rates. As you consider diving into a side hustle, remember that challenges like time constraints and competition are common, but with the right mindset and adaptability, you can overcome them and thrive. Now it's time for you to take action. If you found this information helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video. Your support helps us create more valuable content for you. We'd love to hear from you. Share your own side hustle experiences in the comments below. What challenges have you faced and what tips do you have for others? Engaging with our community not only enriches your own journey, but also inspires others who are looking to embark on their side hustle adventures. We can't wait to see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos from additional source income, money strategies, and much more. Check out my playlist and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.